Section 8 is the transportation, and allergen control. Proper transportation is crucial to maintain the safety of food and prevent allergen cross-contamination. Segregation. Foods with different allergen profiles should be transported separately to minimize the risk of cross-contamination. For example, if transporting both nut-free and nut-containing products, they should be loaded onto separate pallets or in different compartments of the vehicle. If complete separation isn't possible, consider using pallet covers to minimize contact between products. Vehicle hygiene. Transport vehicles should be thoroughly cleaned between loads to prevent the transfer of allergens from one product to another. For example, bulk tankers used for transporting liquids like milk or juices should be thoroughly cleaned before transporting different products. In some cases, dedicated vehicles may be necessary for transporting specific allergens, such as those used for transporting raw nuts. Equipment hygiene. Carts and trolleys used for transporting food within a facility or during loading/unloading should be kept clean to prevent cross-contamination. For example, a cart used to transport a tray of sandwiches containing egg should be thoroughly cleaned before being used to transport a tray of vegan sandwiches. Spill management. Spills of allergen-containing foods should be cleaned up immediately to prevent contamination of other products. For example, if a bag of flour spills during loading, it should be cleaned up promptly to prevent contamination of other products, such as nut-free snacks. Inspection checklist should be kept for any further compliance. Communication. Clear communication between the shipper and the transporter is essential. Transporters should be provided with clear instructions regarding potential allergen cross-contamination situations. For example, if a shipment contains allergens, the transporter should be instructed to avoid loading the vehicle with other products that could be contaminated, such as open bags of nuts or seeds. By implementing these measures, we can ensure that food is transported safely and that the risk of allergen cross-contamination is minimized throughout the supply chain.